heart's in the ground, frozen over. My heart's in the sky, supernova.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my all-time favorite concealer, and that is the Makeup Forever Full Cover Extreme Camouflage Cream Waterproof Concealer. This is my all-time favorite concealer, and I pair it with my all-time favorite foundation, and the link to the review and demo of this foundation will be in the description below, so be sure to click down there, as well as hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified every time I post new videos. Without further ado, let's get into the review and demo. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a squeeze tube, and I really like that because it eliminates any sort of bacteria buildup that can be caused with a doe foot applicator or a sponge tip. I also really like that it's waterproof and that it can also be used as a base for eyeshadows, and honestly that's what I've used. I always like to buy eye primer, but I had run out and I used the concealer and then I just set a powder on top of that, and it works amazingly at hiding the veins by my eyes, and it covers really well. So this is what I would do for every day. I would just put that one dot underneath my eyes. But another thing I like about this product is that it's super buildable. So if I'm doing like a photo shoot, or if I'm taking a lot of pictures, or if I'm going out and it's a special occasion, I'll make sure to put a second coat. So this is what the concealer looks like with just one coat. You can see I still have some discoloration towards the inner corners. Like I said, that's where my problem areas are. But other than that, it looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to show you guys what a second layer looks like, and this is about how much product I use. So I dab it between my two fingers, and then I apply it right where my problem area is. Sometimes I'll use a brush, but I prefer my fingers because it is a thicker and creamier concealer. I like to blend it in with the warmth of my hand. So this is what it looks like with two coats. You can tell a lot of the purple has gone away, and of course if it really bothered me I could use a color correcting concealer, but it doesn't affect me that much, so I don't. And then I'll just take my foundation brush and brush a little bit of powder underneath my eyes just to set it. I really like the way it looks and how it blends really well with the foundation. It almost blurs the under eyes on camera and in photos, and that's one of the reasons I really liked it. Originally I had tried the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer with this foundation, and honestly it just separated. Like you could definitely tell where my foundation was and where my concealer was, and they just weren't going well together. So I decided to get a product in this line so that it would be compatible with my foundation, and this one is amazing. It works so well. And again, it was another recommendation from Claudia Sulewski, and I'll have her Instagram and her YouTube linked in the description down below. If you guys want to see an updated makeup routine, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also ring the notification bell while you're down there so you can be notified every time I post new videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.